So good morning all. So in this video we are going to discuss about machine mesh. So in the machine mesh there are 9 parts are there. So about this 9 parts we are going to discuss in this video. So first we are going to discuss about body of the mesh. So initially in all the drawings the body part it will be more complicated other than other parts it will be very easy. Even the body part it will take more time, other part within 20 to 25 minutes all other parts you can able to draw, but body part itself it going to take more time. Okay, so now here there are 9 parts. So body, mobile jaw grip, jaw screw M6, screw rod, washer, nut, lock nut, clamping plate. So like 9 components they given. So in this 9 components and the body part, they are given the 3 views: front view, top view and side view. Okay, so with that these 3 views we are going to draw this body part. In this one with the help of top view we couldn't able to draw the drawing because of in the top view this thickness it will be varies from compared to this one. So we could not able to draw the body with the help of top view. Even in the side view also because this are the portion only it comes in the middle and also middle some more this area it will be hollow. So we could not able to extrude these things and afterwards it will be add, it will take time. Okay, so that better we can go with the draw with the front view. Okay, if you go and draw with the front view again let this shape, remaining thing we can add it in the later. Okay, so first I am going to select solid part. After that going to protrusion command. After selecting the protrusion command going to select the front view, select line. So after the line command, see I am going to start with from here to this one. So why? Because of this one they given us in terms of diameter, here also the diameter pi, so that those things it will becomes in the circular manner. But if you see these things it will becomes in the certain depth, so that I am going to draw with only this, start with these things. Okay, select a line and from I am going to start with here. What is the full length? The length of the one 230. So 230 is the full including that circular part, so that it has 5 mm and another 5 mm they provided over here, so that 10 mm 230 minus 10 to 20 mm I am going to make a line over here. Enter and give fit, then height. What is the height they gave over? 85 mm. So that 85 mm I am going to make over here 85 mm. So after making the 85 mm, then the towards left side 40 mm and 5 mm it will be goes down, so that I am going to move into the 35 mm. 35, enter, then 5 mm. So what is the length? 25 mm 5. So 25, enter. Okay, then towards this side 5 mm, because already the dimensions we seen in the drawings. So 5 mm, again how much mm it has to be moved downward, so those values they are not given over here. So how to calculate? So 85 minus 25 minus 57. Okay, 30 plus 27, 57. So with the help of that we can find. So 85 minus 30, 55, 55 minus 20, 35, 35 minus 7, 28, 28 minus 25, 3. So the 3 mm I am going to draw over here. To 3 mm, afterwards I am going to draw a straight line over here. Okay, so this line I am going to join. After that I am going to close it with the horizontal line. So after drawn this I am going to check in the top over here they are given as a radius 10. Okay, so those things I am going to make it over here with the help of fillet command. So radius 10, enter. So after giving the radius 10 mm, then I'm going to protrude it. So return. So with the help of I'm going to keep this plane as a middle, with going to keep it as in the middle. With the help of that, both the sides I'm going to extend the component. So go over here, move, let's call it as symmetric extents. So what is the depth? Depth is, we will see from in the top view. So that is the 100 mm depth. So the 100 mm depth I am going to move 100, enter. So the initial base profile has to be created over here. With the help of this, we are going to add, cut. So those many things we are going to do over here. So first, so after add this, what is the next thing I am going to do? So these shapes I am going to draw. See if the height, particular things. So it will be, I am going to consider as like a wings. So this is the portion has to be fixed. Usually helps to fix the machine wise rigidly in the supports. Okay. So once this one we can consider as a wing. So with the help of that only it will be fixed rigidly to the supports. Okay. So this wings I am going to draw. So the wings diameter is the 20 mm length. Exactly it will be placed in middle on the component, and also above the wings the small like a ring, it will be placed over there. So that is the 3 mm over here. So 20 mm is up to that wings is coming, above that the remaining 3 mm, that like the wings it will become over there. Here only the bolt and nut that has to be placed, and with the help of that it is going to rigidly fixed over in the bench or some other supports. Okay. So now I'm going to draw those things. While drawing those things, I'm going to select protrusion command. In the bottom surface I'm going to select. Okay. So the main thing is in the drawing, you have to know about which view we can start, and also which plane as well as surface select. That is the very important. If you know those things, the remaining thing will be very easy. So exactly it will be placed on the middle. Okay. So middle from this side 160 mm distance, because totally it is 120 mm. So on the other side it is again 60 mm. Enter. So after that, from middle to how much mm it has to be go? That means 154 minus 100. So 54. 54 means this side 27, other side 27. So from here I am going to make a 27 mm line. So after making this, I am going to give fit, and from here to this that means from here to right side how much mm, the left side those things I am going to draw. So from here to 8 mm distance. Now we are going to move from here to radius 8 mm. Okay, right, 8 mm, and 180 minus 180 minus 154, we are getting as a 26. So 26 means from here to 13 mm distance. So those distance also they given here. So select a line from here to make 8 mm and 13 mm distance. So after making the 13 mm distance, and so we are going to delete. So from mid, so from mid to this side how much mm distance we have to move. So the total distance they given as a 40. So that 40 means from 40 from here to we are going to make a one arc over here. After that, a tangent line we are going to draw. Okay. So from here to 30 means, so from mid to it is the length is the from mid to from here is the 8 mm. So to 40 means this side 20. So already it goes 8 mm. So the remaining is 12 mm. So after drawing the 12 mm, then I am going to make it as a like a straight line Okay, so from the straight line I am going to make it as a radius 13 curve over here. Okay, so this one I am going to make the line over up to here. So after that, selecting the arc by center point method. So from this is the I am taking as a reference from this line to I am going to make a one arc over here. After drawing this arc, select line from the this 120 mm line, the end point from here to I am going to keep over along with the, so somewhere I am going to place over here. Then use of the tangent option, this line I am going to place tangentially over in this one. Okay, the remaining things I am going to trim it. So this is I am going to trim, even this also I am going to trim. So for the like this way this has to be drawn. Then I am going to use of mirror option, mirror the this particular surface. So I am going to mirror over here based on this surface. And now this is the thing I am going to trim, even this also I am going to trim over here. Now select the line over here, straight line, go to the arc by center point method, taking this as a mid. So from this end point to the end of this line I am going to join over here. Then delete the center line I drawn for the reference purpose, so those things I deleted. Then again use of mirror option, going to mirror according to the center plane. So mirror it and going to give fit. So here what happens, the lines it has to be copied. Okay, so going to select mirror without copy. So trying the original entity has to be moved over here. So select mirror with copy. So the entire thing I am going to move over according to this plane. So after that, this is the thing I am going to delete. So even here also delete. I am going to give return. So wherever, so these are all the connectivity, it will takes problems. So control Z, and here also control Z. I am trying to give return. So where is that? So this is I am going to delete, as well as I am going to use the action to next command. Then return. So in the top one, so these are all the things I am going to delete. So draw once again, select a line. So from here to the circle end point. So return again those things. So this line I am going to delete. So select a line over here from here to end point of this line. I am going to delete. So control Z. So this is the line I want to delete. Even this is line. Select action to next. Action to next. I'm going to give return. So almost either this line or this line, it creates the problem. So that I am going to delete, and use of line option again from end point to here join return. So those things it will be rectified. Now here delete, select a line. So from end point from here to here. Then I am going to give return. So how much mm this? Already I told you 20 mm. So 20 mm it has to be moved over there. So from see in the front view 20 mm. Top view you see the profile, and the front view you know the depth. 20 mm you have done. Then remaining is the this 3 mm rings. So select this one, protrusion command. The top of that I'm going to select. Now I'm going to make a line over here. So then select the 3-point arc by 3-point methods. So first, second and third one I'm going to put over here. Okay, so this line I'm going to delete. So now after that I will go for here. What is the difference? So this is the radius 8 mm line, another one will be the radius 13 mm line. So what is the difference is the 5 mm. So I can go to the offset option and use of that, this has to be moved the 5 mm distance. Enter. Moving on this side, left and right click. After that select a line. So from here to this lines I am going to close it. Okay, after close that I am going to give a fit. Select the mirror extent from here to, based on this it has to be mirror, then going to give return. So wherever the connectivity problem it comes, that we have to clear it, delete and redraw. Select a line from here to the end point over here. Okay, then return. So one more connectivity is problem, that other side may be. So this is the line, going to delete, then to join over here. Maybe the end points of those line and arc it will not connected properly, that is the thing. So even you can draw, even you can delete this arc, you can draw over there. Okay, then return. So this will be the 3 mm on left and right click. So we can save this one as a machine wise. So go to the desktop. I'm going to change make the folder machine wise, give OK, and body, body, and I'm going to save that one. So after drawn these things, almost the major thing is over, and what are all the other things means, like the middle cutout and here that 5 mm. Okay, so those things first we can complete it. Whatever the protrusion it's coming, that we can finish it up now. So select protrusion. First I'm going to select this side from the middle to almost, it is the height is the 30 mm. So even you can see over here it is the 30 mm, the other side is the 30 mm. What is the diameter of that? So diameter is the 32 mm. Diameter is the 32 mm, and here also the diameter is the 32 mm. Okay, so select the circle. So from here to 32 mm. Then this line I will delete. So after deleting this line I am going to give. So already we have seen there what is the depth 5 mm, because they are given over here. Even this also 32 mm, 5 mm depth. Okay, so that 5 mm I am going to give. Enter, left and right click. Then goes to the next thing, the round option. So on the round option they are providing the, this one is the radius 5, even here also radius 5. So I am going to give radius 5. Automatically it is radius 5 only. So then I can rotate the other side. I am going to select. So from bottom to here 30 mm distance. Enter. I think 30 mm. Select a circle. So from here to 32 mm distance circle I draw. Okay, then delete and return. So this also 5 mm. So after making the 5 mm, going to make the this one, which is that round option. So the this edge you can select left and right click. So those things has to be created over here. Okay, so after that I'm going to make the this one, the center cutout. Go over here, so option is called it as cutout. So from middle to total the cutout is the 40 mm. Okay, so 20 mm this side, and towards how much mm it has to go over here. See that towards this one is the 40 mm, so middle to 20 mm. How much mm it has to go? From here to 15 mm. Okay, so that means how to make. So total distance is, this is the 220. So 220 minus 40, 180. 180 minus 15, 165. So from here to 165. Enter, and 40. Enter. I'm going to make a straight line using of section to next. I'm going to close, then this of trim, I'm going to trim to over here, then return towards down. So those cutout has to be made over here. So after making the cutout, even if you see over here what is the length it has to be equal, so those diameters they are not given even in the top also. Even you can check, because from the here to this portion has to be removed. Okay, so that this hole we can view. So that is the diameter is 20 mm. Okay, so rotate. This is the surface. Select cutout, circle option, moving here it indicates the center point. So 20 mm. Enter and return. So through next, left and right click. So the cutout has to be created over here. So this one, after that you can save. After saving this, then again you can go to the cutout and rotate over here and select over here. So if you are selecting here, what is the inside diameter, they are not given here, then come and check with the top view. In the top view 12 mm diameter of the hole they will be provided. So select a circle or from here to 12 mm diameter, then return. So go over here like a through next, left and right click. So the circle also it has to be created. So give fit. So after that, what is the next thing we have to do? Those things we have created. Almost this oil hole I have to make. Okay, so almost everything is over. There's the oil hole and here the screws. First we can make this one. 2 holes 5 mm deep 13. So go over here, select a hole option and select the surface. This is the surface. From bottom, from here to 12.5 mm height, select a line. So from here to 12.5 mm distance. So now what is the distance? 60 mm. So 30. Enter. Again 60 over here. Enter. So because select as a whole option, it does not affect in these things. So whole diameter, I think threaded hole, 5 threaded hole. Now we'll see 2 holes 5 mm deep 13 and tap M6 deep 10. So 5 mm hole deep 13 and M6 hole deep 10. Okay, so see over here V shape bottom. So select threaded and 10 mm 5 mm. So 5 mm and thread M6 and up to the 10 mm distance. Hole has to be threading has to come. What is this one? That is the 13 mm. Up to 13 mm hole has to become, and V bottom angle is 118, so you have to maintain as a 90 degree. Okay, so after creating this, I'm going to keep the hole over here and here. Then going to give return towards left side and right side. Hole has to be created over here. Then what is the next thing? The top from here to 10 mm distance. From here to 10 mm distance, oil hole by 3 mm. On the top it will be look like a countersunk. Okay, so countersink. So I'm going to select pipe, select hole from top here to 10 mm. So select a line from here to here to 10 mm, 5 mm hole. So from this particular thing 5 mm hole. So, right. So from here to 5 mm distance, 5 mm. Sorry, I am going to do it in the middle now. So directly I am going to take 5 mm distance over here, and this is I am going to delete and select circle option. Go over here, select counter sink one. So after selecting this counter sink, so diameter is the 3 mm and counter sink diameter is the 5 mm. Okay, angle 80 degree through next. Okay, give OK. I'm going to keep over here. So return towards down, left and right click it. Okay, so once it has to be created, then save. Then same thing we have to do in the other side also. Circle top. So from here to 20 mm distance, the same thing. Select a line. So from here to 20 mm distance, select a circle, counter sink, mm, 3 mm, then going to give 5 mm distance and through next, give OK. So I'm going to give provide over here letter. So left and right click. So from that I'm going to give save. Almost everything has to be over here. So if anything is left out, we will see in the next while doing the assembling, that changes we can do it. It's not an issue. So from that the body part get over for the machine mates.